Welcome to Let's Cook-O-Lit, everyone. Today we're making a turmeric cake. It's one of my favorite cake to have with my coffee in the morning. So I'm gonna start with all-purpose flour. And of course you start with the dry ingredients first. Sugar, semolina flour, number 1 is fine. Baking powder, turmeric powder, and a little bit of salt. Now let's mix all the dry ingredients first. There you go. Move them on the side a little bit, keep a little well in the middle. Here we go. Move it on the side. Now we're gonna work on the wet ingredients. And in the wet ingredients, I'm gonna start with the milk, vegetable oil, and all the ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box down below. Yogurt, very important to keep it moist so it won't be dry. And I have here rum extract. Rum extract, it gives amazing flavor to it. Now let's mix everything together. Here we go. Now we bring the dry ingredients, wet ingredients right in the middle. And with the rubber spatula, we're not going to use the electric mixer because we don't want to over mix it. So with the rubber spatula, you start from the outside to the middle. Mix well, and now we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna preheat the oven on 350. And for the cake pan, even it's a non-stick pan, I don't take a chance. I always use cooking spray. The reason why I'm using the medium size is because the full size one, the big one, takes about an hour 10 minutes. This one takes about 35 minutes. And why not? If I'm saving 35 minutes of electricity with the same result, might as well. Make sure you give it a quick mix before you pour the batter in the pan, and try your best to have them divided even. And you can put almond, you can put pine nuts, whatever you like. Me, I have some toasted sesame, so I'm gonna top it with toasted sesame. And they're ready to go in the oven. And the second one, and we will check after 35 minutes. It took 38 minutes. Now it might take a few minutes extra. It depends on the oven you use. Oh, look at this, lovely. Grab a toothpick, stick in the middle all the way down, up. Nothing stay on the toothpicks. That means your cake good to go. And now this is an optional. I have here some sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit water. Mix it very well. And I'm gonna add a little shiny glaze on top. And if it happened, you're turning the cake halfway, if it's cooking one side more than the other, make sure you do it gentle because you don't want this beautiful cracked dome to collapse. Now we're gonna leave it to reach the room temperature, refrigerate for 1 hour, and good to serve. After 1 hour in the fridge, moment of the truth. Oh, nice, look at this. Oh boy, it's so good. Turmeric cake, simple and easy to make. All yours to enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Take care.